Microblogging site Twitter has updated its icons with a new design. Twitter announced the launch of updated icons via a thread on the site. The new icons are thicker and more angular. The goal was to create a cohesive set of icons that are bold in shape and style, yet still relatable and a little cheeky where possible, stated Twitter. The microblogging site has also compared the old and new designs through images. The updated icons will be accessible to Android, web and iOS users. According to The Verge, Twitter spokesperson Shauki Amdo has said that the new icons will be available to users in the coming days. However, a date has not been given yet. Twitter had also unveiled its new visual design language in August 2021 to give a streamlined and modern backdrop for future designs. The new icon designs are in line with the same visual design language. One recent new feature from Twitter that created a lot of buzz is the edit feature. The social media platform recently introduced an edit button after constant demands from netizens. But it isn't for everyone. Twitter has made it clear that this new feature is only going to be available to users with the premium subscription service Twitter Blue, at least for now. The feature is currently available in Canada, the USA, New Zealand and Australia.